Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute snail. Before we get started, feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really does help the channel a lot. Alright, so I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to start by drawing two big circles. These are going to be his eyes. Alright, so I'm going to sketch it out in pencil first, and then after that I'm going to sketch it out in marker and then erase my pencil marks. Alright, so these are my two big circles. These are going to be his eyes. So I'm going to do another big circle inside that. Same over here. I'm going to do a littler circle. Same here. And then we have a U shape. The same with the other eye. Okay, now I'm going to start from the bottom of the eye and make a U shape and connect it to the other eye, almost like a great big smile. Now from there I'm going to give a little bit of room and start under the eye again, and we're going to go down, 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 and it's going to lead off into some bumpiness. Now we're going to go down from here in the other eye, and we're going to give it a little bit of a bump here, and then go on down. Okay, now over here we are going to round out that end and give some bumpy waves here. And go all the way and connect it and round out that end too. Okay, now we're going to give our little snail a smile. So I'm going to give him a great big happy smile. Okay, now he needs a shell. So I'm going to start here, kind of in the middle of that U shape we did. And I'm going to start by making his shell. So it's going to go behind this eye here and come out the other side. We're going to do a great big curve shape. And we're going to keep on curving and keep on curving. So it's kind of like a cinnamon bun. And now from this rounded spot here, we are going to draw the bottom of the shell and connect it with a little rounded edge there. All right, so I'm done sketching him out, but now I'm going to grab my black marker and I'm going to draw over these pencil lines, and then any pencil lines that are still showing, I'm going to erase them all. Okay, so let's go. Okay, and you know what? I'm going to give them some hearts just to make them extra cute. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I think it'll be really sweet. So our snail friend has a couple little hearts. Okay, now eraser time. All right, so I'm going to color in his, this part of his eye blue. You can choose whatever color you want to use, but I'm going to give him blue eyes. And then this part, I'm going to put black. Now I'm going to color in his snail body. All right, everybody, so there is our cute little snail. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a good day, and I hope to see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodles. All right, everybody, have a good one. Bye.